I put this together when I got here. What were you all doing this past weekend? Cool. March Madness. Yeah. Wasn't UNO in that?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Cool. It was actually my 12th wedding anniversary, and as part of that, after dinner, I got pinged a bunch about a newly disclosed Next.js vulnerability, because I work at an auth company, and we at least allow you to do middleware auth checking. And guess what you can do in Next? You can bypass middleware, which is fantastic. So I thought I'd show you real quick how to do that, because it's very easy. This is just a brand new Next app. And in source middleware, I won't go too deep into it. Is that big enough? Cool. This middleware is specifically just, as soon as you hit it, redirect somewhere else. So no matter what we do, when we hit this, we should be redirected somewhere else. And then I also created a API admin route that should return a JSON message of hello world. And so if I try and go there, let's just try it. Just run some dev, and then we'll go, and I'll just do the famous arrow up until I get to where I want. Maybe. There we go. So if I try and get to API admin with curl, I'm getting redirected to vim.dev. That's how it shows it when I do it through curl. But if you do the same curl command, except you add a header called x middleware subrequest, and you repeat the name of the middleware 5 times, we've bypassed that middleware. Talk over. The reason they had that in there is to prevent infinite loops. So if it was hitting the same middleware more than 5 times, it appends the middleware name to that header every time it hits it in the next code. And if it hits it more than 5 times, it just is like, well, I'm in an infinite loop, and I'll just bypass that middleware and continue on. And so bypass that middleware. And so all you have to do is just send that the first time with the name in there 5 times, and you're done. So this has been patched in Next 15.2.3, I think. So upgrade Next. And if you were on Vercel, it was patched immediately through that. They just removed that or changed that or do something. So yeah, that's it. Any questions? David?
Do you know what problem they were trying to solve?
Infinite loops within the middleware, like being redirected constantly through it.
Like if a developer redirected to something that was already being redirected.
Yeah, which is checking the middleware and then doing it again. And the middleware might have been redirecting back into itself somehow.
Letting developers shoot themselves in the foot, they try to save it.
Yep.
Shooting everyone in the foot. I've never done.
Fantastic. Yeah. I think it's been around for years as well, which is fantastic. So also, you shouldn't do straight auth checking. You can do auth checking in middleware, but you should also check at your routes as well. Yeah.
Yeah, but the fix was they just did the subrequest.
Yeah, they fixed it by changing that code, and that fixed it, except for in some use cases. And then they just ended up removing that code completely, I think, in 15.2.4. So
now we're back to the server.
yeah, it's safer. Yeah. Or you can just not use Next. That's cool too.
Use Lightning.
There you go. Use Lightning. All right. That concludes our talks for today. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to all of our speakers, and let's give a round of applause for everyone.